Hi guys, this is Mrs.Z and today we have lesson 7, grade 5, module 4, lesson 7. It's a word problem. So we're going to use read, draw and write strategy for our word problem. So first thing we're going to say, Mr. Peterson bought 24 boxes of fruit juice. 1/3 of the drinks were grape and 2/3 were cranberries. How many boxes of each flavor did Peterson buy? Show your work. Use a tape diagram or an array. So array is kind of like rectangular model which represents the all boxes. So let's see if I know multiplication. So I needed to, we're talking about thirds here, and here 2/3. So I needed to have a connection in between 3 and 24. So I'm thinking like what number will make 24 if I take array and I needed to have to show 24 boxes. So I'm thinking, maybe I could do 8 horizontally, which will show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I know that 3 times 8 is 24. So let me do this down. Actually, I'm going to do that down 3. So I'm going to label that. I'm going to use my ruler to help me. So I'm going to make parallel lines. All right. I'm gonna divide into 3 equivalent, and then now I'm going to divide each vertically into 8 more pieces. And this is your array that will represent 24 boxes. Okay, so here's the 24 boxes of juice that he bought. Now we need to think that we need to find what is 1/3. 1/3 of 24. That would be grape. And we need to find what is 2/3 of 24, which will make cranberry. So we say, we think about how many. What is 24 divided into 3? 24 divided into 3 would be 8. So that tells me that 8 pieces will make 1/3. 8 pieces will make 1/3. Or we can see as a fraction. This 24, I forget, 24 divided by 3, 24 thirds would be. Each of these is 1/3. So if I have 24, I will have, okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8 are going to be 1/3, sorry, 8 pieces, 8 boxes. 8 boxes would be 1/3. And that's grape. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/3. So now these two will represent 2/3. And of course, the 2/3 of 24 will be 8 plus 8 is 16. So each has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 boxes would be that 2/3 as a cranberry juice. So grape, if I do mathematically or algebraically, I can say, okay, 1/3 of 24 equals 1/3 times 24 once. That makes numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and I will get 24 divided into 3. So 24 divided into 3 equals what number times what number times 3 is 24. It's 8. 3 times 8 times 3 equals 24. So 1/3 is 8 fruit boxes. If I do 2/3, I can do that 2/3 times 24. So it would be 2/3 times 24 once. So 2 times 24 and 3 times 1. Okay, if I stick to the same, that is 2/24 is 48 divided into 3, and that is 16. So 48 divided into 3 equal what number times 3 equals 48? It's 16. If we don't know, we can also divide 48 into 3's, because 1 times 3 is 3. When we subtract with leftover 1, 10, combine with 1's. How many 3's are in 18? There are 6. 3 times 6 is 18, and I have no remainder. So we can say 8 boxes. Okay, 8 boxes are grape juice. And 16 boxes are cranberry juice. And we are done with the word problem lesson 7. Okay. This all could be, this is more understandable, like understanding, but it could be much easier to thinking if we do take a tape diagram. And so it's just gonna quickly, let's see that this this tape diagram represents all 24 boxes. Okay, because we need to find 1/3 of 24 and 2/3 of 24. I can divide this rectangle in 3 pieces. And each piece will represent 3 times 8 is 24. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So as here you can see 1/3 is 8 boxes, and 2/3 is 8 plus 8 is 16 boxes. So that's an easier way to is 8 boxes and 2/3 of 24 is 16 boxes. Okay. This was Mrs. Z. I hope you like your explanation. See you next time.